This, but I just made my first ever spring roll. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry if there is some like noise in the background. I'm sitting by a pool and the pool is being filtered, so the water is like running, and then there are like planes flying in the sky and birds chirping. I am making this video right now because there's a lot of scary things going on in the world right now. I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty, and I know that with this virus, a lot of people are feeling like they don't have control of their education or their health or their jobs. They don't have control over seeing their family or seeing their friends. The only thing that we really can control is how we feel about our health and how we prioritize our mental wellness while we are pretty much under quarantine. And I know that I've been at home for like 4 days now and I'm going stir crazy. And even more than stir crazy, I know I've been eating like really bad. I've been snacking a ton. It really helps my mental health, and it really just helps me feel better when I am eating what I'm supposed to be eating and how much, and just kind of like watching myself so I don't go out of control. And I've definitely been snacking. I'm on my period, so I'm breaking out. I feel gross. And I just thought it would be a good thing to maybe film a what I eat in a day while stuck at home kind of a video. Maybe this video can give you guys ideas, or it'll just kind of feel like a bunch of friends like hanging out together and going through their day together. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating. I'm starting off the day with a iced latte, and it's got 2 pumps of caramel syrup and coconut milk, and it's really good. And the only reason I have a Starbucks drink because my mom went to the doctor today, and on the way back from the doctor she picked me up from Starbucks, so thanks, Mom. And that being said, I'm just going to take you guys throughout my day and show you guys what I'm eating. A lot of the things are local to Florida, like a lot of fresh produce, a lot of fruit, because I've been going fruit crazy. But you know, I think you can kind of make this anywhere. Just hopefully this gives you guys some ideas, some ways to get creative. And if you do happen to see this during the quarantine, and if you do need like any help or you want to talk, like please reach out to me. I know that people are struggling because they don't have access to a therapist and access to friends or family, and I am lucky enough to be home with my family right now, but I can't even imagine being alone during this time. So if you need me, reach out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's 11 o'clock-ish right now, and I typically eat around 1, but instead of focusing on times, because time is very unimportant right now, I think I'm going to be focusing on just intuitive eating. So I will see you guys when I'm hungry. And I've decided to make avocado toast on English muffin. Grab an avocado and we're gonna get started. I'm also using some hard-boiled eggs as well to put on top, and some and I think I'm actually just going to use 1/2 of the avocado and save the other half for later, because these English muffins are actually really small, even though it doesn't look like it. So much fresh fruit. I think I'm gonna do a mango and banana. It's a little messy, but we got a wine and cheese situation going on. We have some turkey, some grapes, some cherry jelly, we have brie, and then we have 2 sharp cheeses and a Gouda. And I think it looks really good. I paired it with some red blend wine, and it's just a little snack before dinner time, so I probably won't finish it all, or maybe I will, but I'm excited to dig in, and I needed to get rid of this cheese before it went bad. Can't waste money on the quarantine, kids. So there you go. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later. I'm hungry. I'm freshly tanned. You can't tell, but I'm working on my tan, even though I didn't used to have to work on my tan when I lived here. So we are actually going to be making shrimp spring rolls tonight. So we're kind of like just using what we have in the house, but I'm going to show you guys the whole process as much as I can. because I'm making it with my sister, and I will show you guys the finished product. And then we have some water boiling, and we actually don't want it boiling. I'm going to turn it down a little bit, but we are going to take single sheets of this and then put it into here, and then we will spread it out over there when I wipe that area down. I just made my first ever spring roll, so I'm so happy. Like, look, it turned out pretty good, yeah? So we have the 3 spring rolls, and then I just did a little bit of rice noodles, and then I made a tahini, like, kind of a sauce with some sriracha, and it tastes really good. Hey guys, so I'm ending off my night with some homemade banana oat bread that I made, and I'm gonna have this with a glass of oat milk. So don't mind my hair, but I just wanted to say thank you for hanging out with me during this like weird time, and thank you for hanging out with me today, for watching my video, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you guys are staying safe and smart during this quarantine, and I hope you guys are just keeping your heads up. And you know, if you, like I said, if you guys need me, definitely reach out. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great night and week.